Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer funds with Capital Group step by step clearly. To transfer funds with Capital Group, start by logging into your Capital Group account. Use your registered email and password for access. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfer Funds section on the main dashboard. Select the type of transfer you wish to initiate, either between accounts or to an external bank account. For an internal transfer, choose the source and destination accounts from the drop-down menus. Enter the amount you wish to transfer in the designated field. Review the transfer details to ensure everything is correct. If transferring to an external bank account, provide the necessary bank account information. Confirm the external bank account details you entered to avoid any errors. After reviewing, click on the Continue button to proceed with the transfer. You may be asked to verify your identity through a security step, such as a verification code sent to your email or phone. Once verified, you will reach the final confirmation page. Double-check the details one last time to make sure everything is accurate. Click Confirm Transfer to complete the process. A confirmation message will appear once the transfer is successfully initiated. You will also receive a confirmation email for your records. If you have any questions or encounter issues, consider reaching out to Capital Group customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.